Hello and welcome to Eliza Kelly's song sculpture. As you can hear, I've already got the drums going. Let's take a look at pages 1 through 4 of the first famous progression. So I'm going to listen for the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, B, 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 A, C, 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 F, A, A, A. There's page 1. Let's scroll down a little bit. 1, 2, ready, go. With a third, and an E. G with a third, third, and a B. A with a third, third, then F with a third, third, and then the median. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is all thirds. 2, 3, 4. A minor. 2, 3, 4. Then F, all in thirds. Let's go on to the next one. G, B, G, B, A, C, C, C. Oh, and then we're out of frame a little bit. But you can see the bottom right there, F, A, A, and nice job, Eliza. I'd love to hear you play it, and I wonder what you think of the drums. Anyway, good job, round of applause. And tell Eliza what you think.